Please walk to the left. Please walk to the left. This restaurant, called Rabab, is open 24 hours a day. It offers several menus such as tteokbokki, ramen, gimbap, bibimbap, and more, pork cutlet, omelet rice, which are Korea's representative snack foods. If you haven't eaten before arriving at the YANNY STAY, I recommend you to eat here. Since it is a chain store, it offers a uniform taste. If you run out of caffeine, charge it here. It can be charged at high speed. Ho 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 ho. Walk to the right. CVU is one of the representative shops in Korea. They also sell underwear, socks, and simple toiletries that you haven't prepared yet, so you can use them.